Paid marketing tools. What are they? Paid marketing tools include Google Ads, Google Ads Editor, Bing, and Facebook Ads Manager. 1. Google Ads. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform developed by Google. It allows businesses to display their ads on Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, and on various partner websites through the Google Display Network. With Google Ads, advertisers can bid on specific keywords relevant to their products or services, and their ads appear when users search for those keywords. It operates on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, meaning advertisers pay only when a user clicks on their ad. Key features of Google Ads. 1. Keyword targeting. Advertisers can target specific keywords relevant to their business, allowing their ads to show up when users search for those keywords. 2. Ad extensions. Google Ads supports various ad extensions like site link extensions, call extensions, location extensions, and more, to enhance the visibility and effectiveness of ads. 3. Budget control. Advertisers can set daily or monthly budgets to control their ad spending and avoid overspending. 4. Audience targeting. Google Ads offers audience targeting options based on demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach specific user segments. 5. Performance tracking. Advertisers can track the performance of their ads using metrics like clicks, impressions, click-through rate, center, conversion rate, and more. 6. 2. Google Ads Editor. Google Ads Editor is a free desktop application provided by Google that allows advertisers to manage and make bulk changes to their Google Ads campaigns offline. It's a powerful tool for advertisers managing large or complex campaigns, as it allows them to make edits and updates more efficiently and quickly than within the online interface. Key features of Google Ads Editor. 1. Bulk editing. Advertisers can make multiple changes to their campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads in one go using spreadsheet-like editing features. 2. Import and export. Google Ads Editor allows importing and exporting campaigns, making it easier to collaborate with team members or share changes between accounts. 3. Offline editing. Users can work on their campaigns offline and sync changes to Google Ads when they're ready to publish. 4. Duplicate and find, replace. Advertisers can duplicate campaigns or make specific changes across multiple elements with find, replace functionalities. 5. Custom rules. Google Ads Editor allows users to set custom rules to ensure campaigns meet specific criteria and are compliant with best practices. 1. Bing. Bing Ads, now known as Microsoft Advertising, is an online advertising platform provided by Microsoft that operates similarly to Google Ads. It allows businesses to display their ads on Bing's search engine results pages and on partner sites within the Microsoft Audience Network. Key features of Bing. 1. Keyword targeting. Advertisers can bid on keywords to display their ads when users search for those terms on Bing. 2. Audience targeting. Similar to Google Ads, Bing offers audience targeting options to reach specific user segments based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. 3. Ad extensions. Bing supports various ad extensions to enhance the visibility and relevance of ads. 4. Budget control. Advertisers can set daily or monthly budgets to manage their ad spending. 5. Performance tracking. Bing provides performance metrics to measure the effectiveness of ads, clicks, impressions, center, conversion rate, and more. 1. Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook Ads Manager is a platform provided by Facebook for creating, managing, and analyzing Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. It offers powerful targeting options based on user demographics, interests, and behaviors, making it an effective tool for reaching a specific audience. Key features of Facebook Ads Manager. 1. Audience targeting. Advertisers can target users based on various factors, including age, gender, location, interests, behaviors, and connections. 2. Ad formats. Facebook Ads Manager supports a range of ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, slideshow ads, and more. 3. Ad objectives. advertisers can choose from various ad objectives, such as brand awareness, reach, engagement, conversions, and more, to align with their campaign goals. 4. Performance tracking. Facebook provides detailed metrics to track the performance of ads, including clicks, impressions, center, conversion rate, and engagement metrics. 5. Ad scheduling. Advertisers can schedule their ads to run at specific times and days to reach their target audience more effectively. In summary, these paid marketing tools, including Google Ads, Google Ads Editor, Bing, and Facebook Ads Manager, offer a range of features and functionalities to help advertisers create, manage, and optimize their online advertising campaigns effectively. Each tool has its unique strengths and is essential for businesses seeking to drive traffic, conversions, and brand awareness through paid marketing efforts. Social media marketing tools. Social media marketing tools are software or platforms designed to help businesses and individuals manage, analyze, and optimize their social media marketing efforts. These tools are essential for effectively executing social media strategies, reaching the target audience, and measuring the impact of social media campaigns. Here is a detailed explanation of some popular social media marketing tools. 1. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a widely used social media marketing tool that offers a comprehensive set of features. It allows users to manage multiple social media accounts from one centralized dashboard. With Hootsuite, you can schedule and publish posts, engage with your audience, and monitor conversations and mentions related to your brand. The tool also provides detailed analytics to track the performance of your social media campaigns. 2. Buffer. Buffer is another popular social media marketing tool that focuses on content scheduling and publishing. It supports various social media platforms and offers a simple interface for planning and posting content. Buffer's analytics feature provides insights into post performance, engagement, and audience growth, helping you refine your social media strategy. 3. TweetDeck. TweetDeck is a free social media tool exclusively designed for Twitter. It offers real-time monitoring of Twitter feeds, mentions, and direct messages. With TweetDeck, you can manage multiple Twitter accounts, create and schedule tweets, and engage with your followers more efficiently. 4. Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a comprehensive social media management platform that integrates various functionalities. It allows you to schedule and publish content across multiple platforms, engage with your audience, monitor brand mentions and industry trends, and track your social media performance through in-depth analytics. 5. Later. Later is primarily focused on visual content scheduling and management for Instagram, but it also supports other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. It offers a visual content calendar that allows you to plan and schedule posts, analyze performance, and manage user-generated content through its media library. 6. Social Bee. Social Bee is a social media management tool that emphasizes content categorization and evergreen posting. It allows users to organize their content into categories and set up posting schedules based on those categories. This enables you to maintain a consistent posting frequency and share content relevant to your audience's interests. 7. Agorapulse. Agorapulse is a robust social media marketing tool that offers scheduling, monitoring, and reporting features. It provides a social inbox to manage all your social media interactions in one place, making it easier to respond to comments, mentions, and messages promptly. 8. Social Pilot. Social Pilot is a budget-friendly social media marketing tool suitable for small businesses and individuals. It supports multiple social media platforms and offers content scheduling, team collaboration, and detailed analytics. 9. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is more focused on content discovery and competitor analysis. It helps you find popular and trending content in your niche, identify key influencers, and monitor your competitors' performance on social media. 10. Sprinkler. Sprinkler is an enterprise-level social media management tool suitable for large businesses and corporations. It provides advanced features for managing global social media presence, handling customer service inquiries, and leveraging social media data for business insights. In conclusion, social media marketing tools are essential for streamlining your social media efforts, managing multiple platforms, and gaining valuable insights into your audience's behavior. The choice of the tool depends on your specific needs, budget, and the size of your social media